Wearing the
that's a Noveski
civilian ACR.
I never even heard of it. Black? I've never heard of it. It became huge for those reasons. You could take a change the barrel and you had a 300 black, a 30 caliber rifle. Use the mag, same.
That's the Blackout?
Yeah. It's, 25 bucks for 20 rounds.
I never fired this type of round.
Not any different than firing a 5.56.
You can't really tell
as far as firing it.
We'll move it up to 50.
Okay, how does this one work here? I just need to check. I need to check it.
I would pull the bolt back and lock it back.
How do you set them?
Right there.
Everyone's right though when they say that.
Push it up.
Yeah.
Lock it. There you go.
I knew that would come in handy one day. The bat?
The what?
The bat? The battery?
Oh, the battery assist. Bad.
Oh, there's an optic.
Noticeably different. I think that was the last round. I don't know why I didn't lock.
Yeah.
No. Noticeably different. I think that was the last round. I don't know why I didn't lock.
Yeah.
Shoot's good.
No, I really don't.
I was worried about it being camping.
Yeah, it seems like it might have just been the ammo. PMC now.
When will they make the
We haven't zeroed this in a
The
long
7.62
time.
barrel. They already made it.
heavy?
Yeah, I just it's cold. Where's your little 22? Sight in the 270.
Cock your head on that. Hey, take your time and cock your head. Okay, it's ready to go. Take your time and aim, okay?